The following message is from the Singapore Government Office of Civil Defence. At 6:20 p.m. tomorrow, in commemoration of Civil Defence Day, SCDF will be sounding the important message signal to the island-wide public warning system, PWS, SIRENS, and the Sgocd mobile application. Please do not be alarmed. When you hear the signal, tune in to any local radio stations or free-to-air TV channel for a brief message on the public warning system. This message is brought to you by the Singapore Civil Defence Force in commemoration of Civil Defence Day.